Hello? Oh, it's future me. She says she would like to eventually stop working. And honestly, that seems reasonable. A lot of people think retirement is just some boring money topic for older people. But retirement isn't about age. It's about freedom. Freedom to slow down, freedom to travel, freedom to enjoy your life without constantly stressing about money. Freedom to wake up on a Tuesday morning and not immediately check your email like it's a survival instinct. And here's the important part. Future you is depending upon decisions you're making right now or avoiding making right now. Because every dollar you save buys time later. And honestly, that completely changed how I think about retirement. One of my favorite things to do, which makes me sound like a total finance nerd, is playing around with compound interest calculators. Because when you actually see how small amounts of money can grow over time, it's kind of mind-blowing. Like seriously, you put in $100 a month, not thousands, not millionaire money, just $100. And over time, it can turn into a huge amount of money. That's when retirement stopped feeling impossible to me. It started feeling possible. But here's the problem. A lot of people think, I don't make enough money to save for retirement. And honestly, I get it. Life is expensive, but retirement isn't built through giant, perfect decisions. It's built through small, consistent ones. That's the magic. And that's why starting early matters so much. Because compound interest loves time. And time matters more than talent in investing. And waiting 10 years can literally cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And future you would really prefer you not procrastinate until age 47. Now let's talk about the magical phrase, 401k match. If your employer offers the match, that is free money. And respectively, please take the free money. The 401k is basically a retirement account through work. Money comes automatically out of your paycheck and gets invested for future you. And some employers literally contribute extra money just because you're contributing too. That's amazing. Future you loves that. And honestly, automatic investing is one of the best systems ever because it removes your dramatic human emotions from the process. You don't have to wake up every morning and decide whether you feel motivated to save. It just happens automatically, which is great because most humans are chaotic, myself included. Here's the beautiful part. Retirement isn't just about someday. It's about building future peace, future flexibility, future slow mornings, future travel, future breathing room, future whatever you want. The goal isn't to stop working forever. It's to have options. Because personally, what I want later in life isn't a giant luxury lifestyle. I personally want peace, slower living, freedom. I want time with the people I love. And honestly, that version of wealth sounds way better to me. Now, quick warning, retirement investing is kind of like lasagna. The more you mess with it while it's cooking, the worse it gets. So stop panic checking your investments every 5 minutes. Leave it alone. Let it bake. And remember, you do not need to save perfectly. You just need to start. Even small amounts matter. Future you is rooting for today you. And future you would also someday like a paid vacation from work, maybe? So if you want to be the boss of your money and your future, hit subscribe and share this video with someone who keeps saying they'll start later.